Hi friends! I'm so glad that you were able to join me. Today is a very special day. It's Thanksgiving. And in our kitchen today, we're going to be making Thanksgiving dinner for our friends. They're going to be over soon. So let's start with finding some yummy ingredients in the pantry. All right. Wow, it looks like there's so many tasty and delicious things in the pantry. Gonna get some lettuce for the salad, some broccoli because I'm thinking to make a broccoli soup. We'll also get some green peppers for the salad, some mushrooms as well, and maybe we'll use some green beans. I think that's good for the greens. Now we're gonna move on to some yummy stuff in the bottom pantry. I see a nice tomato. That will go perfect in our salad. As well as some potato, because one of my guests loves mashed potatoes. And onion, of course. That's a key ingredient in almost every meal. But wait, we also have some corn. Maybe I'll use that. I'll think about it. And there's so many delicious fruits. I'm thinking to make a fruit salad. Let's see, I'll take some orange, some strawberries. Those look really nice and ripe. Banana, of course. Some apple and some grapes. You can never go wrong with those. Oh no, it seems like we cleared out the pantry. That's okay. Let's go wash our hands and get started on the meal prep. Rinse, rinse, rinse. Lather, lather, lather. Perfect. All clean. Now let me go get out my cutting board. First, I'm gonna start with the onion. You have to cut the onion into small little pieces, and I'm going to start by putting it in my broccoli soup. There we go. A little bit more cutting of the onion until it's ready to go in my pot. Perfect! That looks like the piece that I need. Now, I'm just gonna cut up a few more pieces like this and put them in my pot. I'm just gonna add a little bit of water to my pot so that the soup is nice and liquidy. Perfect. Now I'm ready to add the rest of my onions. Cut, cut, cut a little more, and it looks like they're ready. There we go. Moving on to the next part of my broccoli soup, the broccoli. Can never get enough broccoli. I'm going to use a sharper knife now to chop up that broccoli nice and small so that the broccoli can get nice and mushy and turns into a broccoli soup puree. All done. It looks like my broccoli is ready to go on the stove. Now, I just have to find the lid and season it a little bit with salt and pepper. And when I'm done doing that, I'm gonna put the lid on and I'm gonna put it on my stove. Looks like the broccoli soup is ready to go. Yay! Always remember, when you're dealing with a stove, you should be with a grown-up because the stove can get very hot. So now I'm turning the stove on in order for my broccoli to start simmering. Moving on now to our next meal. The next meal that I want to make for Thanksgiving dinner is mashed potatoes. first I'm going to start by chopping up the potatoes. We have to make sure that we chop them up just the right size, because when we boil them in our pot, we want to make sure that it doesn't take too long and that the potatoes are cooked through. Now that I've done on that, it's time to put them on my stovetop right beside my broccoli soup. Yummy! Let me just turn that on and let it simmer. Moving on now, the next meal that I want to make is probably the most important meal for Thanksgiving. Can you take a guess? You guessed it! It is the turkey. But before I put the turkey in the pot, I just want to get some lettuce leaves to put under and around the turkey. As always, we chop, chop, chop to get some nice fine pieces of lettuce. Perfect! Now I'm going to put them in my special pot, starting with the pieces of lettuce leaf. Once that's done, I'm going to add my turkey. Perfect! The turkey fits just perfectly. Now I'm going to finish it off by adding the lid and putting that turkey in the oven. I have to make sure that the oven is the perfect temperature before I put the turkey in. Let's see, looks about right to me. I'm putting my pot in and I'm just gonna let that bake in the oven for some time to make sure that the turkey is nice and juicy. All right, now I'm going to move on to almost my last meal, but not quite. The next one is going to be salad, because some of my guests today love salad. I'm using the other half of the lettuce leaf in order to make the salad. But I don't want to forget some other ingredients. I'm going to be putting a bit of mushroom in my salad to add a different kind of texture and taste. And I also want to add some green pepper to my salad. Chop, 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 cut, cut, cut. Perfect! It's all ready to go. Let me just add all of the ingredients to my salad bowl. And one more meal is going to be ready to go. Oh, I almost forgot. We are missing one very important ingredient for the salad. Can you tell me what it is? You guessed it, tomato. I almost forgot to put the tomato in the salad. Let me just cut up the tomato into nice thin pieces. Cut, cut, cut. And there we go. The salad is ready to go. Looks delicious. For the very last meal of our Thanksgiving, I've decided to make a fruit salad for dessert. I'm going to be chopping up a few different types of fruits, including apple, strawberries, because they are nice and ripe and delicious, as well as some other ingredients. Do you remember what we had put in our pantry earlier? And now, just going to chop up some grapes. some banana, and an orange. Let me just put all of the fruit pieces in the fruit bowl, and it'll all be ready to go. Delicious! What fruit do you guys love to eat? My favorite fruit is strawberry. Is that your favorite fruit too? Oh, looks like our mashed potatoes are done. Now we just have to mash them up. Perfect! We mash them up to get the perfect consistency of our mashed potato. That looks delicious and done. Let's turn off the stove top. And it looks like our broccoli soup is also ready. Wow, that's a beautiful green color. Let's turn off the stove top. I think it's also time to take the turkey out. What do you guys think? Wow, that looks nice and crispy. Looks ready to me. I'm going to take the turkey out right now, and then we're going to transfer it to a nice platter so that when our guests arrive, it's ready. Can't forget to close that oven door. Okay, our turkey is nice and juicy and super hot. I'm gonna have to use these tongs to remove it from the bowl and put it on the platter. And we can add a few decorative pieces to the turkey as well, just to make it look nice for our guests' Thanksgiving dinner. Yummy! The turkey is almost ready to go. All right, our guests are gonna be here any minute now. I need to set the table. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make sure that all of the items that we baked today are on the table. Let's start with the broccoli soup. Yummy! The broccoli soup is ready to go. And next, we have the mashed potatoes. They look nice and smooth. Next up, we can't forget our turkey. Delicious! That looks so nice and juicy. Also, we have our salad. Looks so fresh and crisp. And last but not least, our fruit bowl. That's gonna be a tasty dessert. Now I have to set the table. All of our guests, including me, are going to need a plate. Excellent. 4 plates. Now, let's set up the utensils. First, I'm going to start with the forks. Each person gets 1 fork. Next, I'm going to add some spoons. And last but not least, we're going to add some knives. Wonderful! Our table looks all ready to go. It looks like our guests are here. Let's go answer the door. Hi, friends! I'm so happy that you joined me today.
Hello.
Thanks for having us over. You know, we couldn't show up empty-handed, so we brought some Thanksgiving treats. Wow, what is that? A cookie? A cinnamon roll? A muffin? And a blue cake pop. Wow, guys, that's so nice of you.
We also brought another treat.
What did you bring?
We brought you some chocolate.
Wow, thanks, Lion Brothers. I'm so happy that you guys brought some tasty and sweet desserts. Shall we sit at the table?
Yeah!
Yummy! All right, friends. We're gonna go and enjoy some of our Thanksgiving dinner right now. Thank you so much for joining us, and please don't forget to like and subscribe our video for some more food adventures. Hope to see you guys next time. Bye!
Yay!